Kurt Draws.
Hi, my name is Kurt and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a bighorn sheep. This guy is awesome. We're going to do it step by step. He has big horns that go around his head. He's standing at a mountaintop. He looks regal and he's got breath coming out of his nose. It's going to be a good one. But hey, before we do, would you go down there and give me a big thumbs up? It helps this video reach a new audience. I appreciate it. All right, let's get to drawing. Okay, let's start off with his head here. And we're going to start off with a straight line. Make a nice sharp corner here for where his nose and mouth are going to go, and then another angle coming down. The back of his head, similar angle. Now we're going to make a quick sharp turn here and come toward the center. And I'm using these angled lines because when I draw his fur is going to have a lot of curves to it, and it'll create a lot of interesting contrast. Alright, so this will be his chest area here, and it's somewhat round, almost like the end of a barrel. Like looking down into a barrel, it's round. And then we're coming down straight along the top, curving it almost like we're looking into a cylinder. And I'm making the back end a little square because his hips will sometimes come across as square. And make sure you draw lightly. This is an underdrawing. These will be his forward legs. And I want to make sure I draw them a little bit longer, a little bit shorter than the ones in the back. That way it gives a sense that he's standing on two different levels of rocks. All right, let's work on his eye here, and it's like a slight S curve, kind of give him a very stoic, almost a mean, but it's more stoic look. Getting his nose with a small triangle and is straight for his mouth. Now let's work on the curve here of his horn, and instead I'm going to start with the tip and go back to where it touches into the body. I want to come halfway and stop, and then just come a little bit short there. Yep, and make a nice curve. Let's get the back one now. Just a quick curve there, and then underneath his head we'll have the point of his other horn. Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this. Now I'm just kind of finessing his neck a little bit and where it comes into his front chest area. I'm going to draw a straight line now down to the center of his legs. And I think I'm going to work on these rocks that he's standing on the top of this mountain. Yep, getting his legs in place here. Adding some straight lines to indicate his breath coming out of his nose. A little bit of steam maybe. Let's get some nice surface lines onto his horns here. This will give us a sense of roundness by using surface lines. Okay, well that pretty much finishes our underdrawing. You can now pause the video and take a look at the final drawing and add some extra detail. And then you can move on to coloring it as well. Well, I do hope that you enjoyed watching the drawing of this bighorn mountain sheep, and I will see you next time. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.